This video is an overview of Lesson 2.2, which covers histograms. This is the second section in our chapter over visualizing data from the Essentials of Statistics text, 6th edition by Mario Triola. These slides were originally based on the slides provided by Pearson, the publisher of our textbook, and then modified by me for our course. We've got two learning outcomes in Lesson 2.2. The first is to visualize those frequency distributions and relative frequency distributions that we talked about in Lesson 2.1 using their graphs, which are called histograms. And the second is probably the most important outcome of this lesson, which is to interpret histograms to infer characteristics of data. So primarily we're going to use histograms as a visualization of that distribution, but we can also see the center. We can also get a sense of the spread of the data. And we can also see outliers in histograms as well. So the key concept for this is really that frequency distributions, they allow us to summarize and investigate the distribution of data in the form of a table. But a table isn't nearly as insightful as a picture, which tells all of the same, or gives us all of the same ideas, but in a visual form. So a histogram is going to do that. It's going to allow us to visualize that distribution. Instead of thinking about numbers, we're going to see them as bars on a graph. And when we have that visualization of the distribution, we'll be able to infer characteristics of data. So I'll see you in our first video when we discuss our first, or our next video, excuse me, when we discuss our first learning outcome.